Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. This is SkVm from Tirunelveli. I'm going to solve New York Times Hard Sudoku puzzle on May 29, 2022. Column I. 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 6, 9. Second row and third row we have parallel numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 9th grade. We already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining 1 and 9. Second row we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, second row and third row we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, second row and third row we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F and third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, column C we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Second grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 7, 8. Fourth row we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 7. 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 2. 2 can't come in the cell. 2 will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade. 8 will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and seventh row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, seventh row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade. 8th row we have pair numbers 7 and 8. Seven and 8 can't come these cells. it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, 8 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Third grade, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Second row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Tenth row, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3. Fifth row, we have 1 and 5, so 1 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. Column D, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column F, column G, we have 6, 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, column F, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 also confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Sixth row, we have 2, So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 8th row, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 9th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column B, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.